welcome back again to my channel. Anyways, today guys, I'm going to go do my hair. I did this hair for the YouTube Black event and look at it, it's already a hot mess and this is not even up to 2 weeks yet. So I'm going to go to the salon today in Peckham to go and get my hair done because this is unacceptable. It's not giving, and I'm preparing to go back to work like full time, so I need my hair to be, you know, giving what it's supposed to give. Anyways, yeah, I'm gonna show you guys in Peckham. I saw this hairstylist from TikTok. So you know, one of the TikTok girlies were like, oh, stop using Instagram hairstylists to make your hair, go to Peckham. So that's what I'm going to do. I hope she gets it right. Bye.
Loved you from the first time you called me late. Loved you for your wits and your wicked games. Yeah, always on my mind, always in my brain. Yeah, with you the summer came and went in a day, and I've been craving you since the first time that I sat by your side. And I've been on my knees thinking time is gonna fix me inside. No, nothing's gonna make me forget, and I don't think I want to forget anyway, yeah. No, nothing's gonna make me forget. Yeah, I don't think I want to forget anyway, yeah.
My rubbish here for your TikTok.
I didn't put her for my YouTube. You know, master.
I can feel you near when you're miles away. Yeah.
Good morning, guys. So today we're going to have a Christmas photo shoot, and me and my Oga baby are getting ready for the shoot. But I really want us to do like an Instagram transition video, just because I'm trying to take Instagram Reels stroke YouTube Shorts seriously, and you can literally post the same content on both platforms. So if I create one short video, then I can maximize it and maybe even throw it in TikTok, who knows. Anyways, we're going to be transitioning with the outfit that we're going to be wearing, which is this outfit, and they're both from River Island. When I wear the outfit, I'll show you guys what it looks like. And my shoes from Uggs. These are the shoes from Uggs that I'm going to be wearing. I really like the bow detail at the back, so yeah, that's what's up. I'm gonna put my phone on the tripod stand now, and then obviously when I edit the video, I'll show you guys what it looks like. But I also post it on my YouTube short. Keita is also going to be getting ready for the shoot, but we're not putting her in this transition because it's not necessary. Okay, so yeah, I'm gonna put my phone on my tripod stand. Meanwhile, I just got this tripod stand from Amazon. It's so cool because it has lights. Let me show you guys. Right, so this is the tripod stand I got. It's so cool because it has like two things. This one, which you can extend all the way up. Okay. Multitasking with only one hand is so difficult, but let me see if I can show you guys. Sorry for that breaking transmission, but I had to do the tripod thingy. So you see it was down and I just pulled it all the way up, and guess the best part, it flexes right in front. So I actually got this because of the cooking video that I want to film. Somebody asked for a what I eat in a day to lose weight type video, so I want to film this, and I felt like, especially with my gas cooker, when I'm cooking like this, it will be so easy. And also the best part again is that it's got lighting. Let me show you guys. And I can even, let's say when I'm cooking and the area is dark, I can put on the lights, right? And I can also bend it. So it's really nice, and I can obviously increase the intensity of the light as well. You can see it's gotten brighter. If I want to change the color of the light, I can. I'm going to leave it linked down in the description box just in case you guys are interested in buying it, but I think it's a really nice thing. It's also really good for selfies, so I'm gonna switch it so that you guys can see what it looks like. This is what we're looking like in natural light without any lighting from the equipment. So I'm going to switch it now. Can you guys see? And if I wanted to increase the brightness,
just the video I sent you.
Not yet. I'll check it out now. All right, let me go and do my transition. My guy is already ready, and don't let me keep him waiting. Peace. Okay guys, so I want to do my makeup today, and I've already primed my face using my Cosmetics primer, and I also used my moisture bomb. But I'm already getting late, so I can't really talk too much right now. I'm just gonna do my makeup. The shoot is actually for 1:30 and the time is already 11:30, and you guys know that makeup takes time, so not too much talking right now. We're just gonna jump right into the tutorial. This is my beauty blender, and I'm going to be using I'm sorry, I'm kind of disorganized and I'm kind of all over the place because I think this is better, right? Yeah, okay. My room is a mess, so nobody should say anything, because don't say anything, Sha. Mama, say hi. Mama is ready for her photo shoot, and we're going downstairs to meet our Uber, guys. We're already late. Mama,
Where's that bag?
she's inside mommy's room. Mama, look at how beautiful Mama looks in her Christmassy outfit. Hey guys, so we're on our way now to the studio, and yeah, this is me and Mama at the back. Daddy is in front of the car. So we came to a little town in Essex. It's actually a village. It's called Onga, and that's where the photographer is. Guys, if I tell you that, look, it's Onga. If I tell you that we have been waiting for the bus for 1 hour, you think I'm joking, because the bus only comes once an hour, and now we're looking for the bus stop. And there are no taxis, because we tried to call taxis. No taxis, no cabs, nothing. Hey guys, good morning. I'm just waking up, but I had to like take out my bonnet so that you guys will not see like my real sleepy face. So guys, I received this handbag from Teddy Blake, New York, and they are a luxury designer bag that have made it their aim to make luxury affordable to you, giving you high quality Italian leather bags made in Italy by craftsmen who are experienced and who create some of the best designer bags that you have ever seen. Teddy Blake New York offers real Italian leather. They also offer bags that are very similar and up to par with what you would find in the designer market for way less, and that's why I'm super happy to be working with them on this project, because just look at my bag. It's so gorgeous, it's so sleek, it's so chic, and it actually does remind me of a very expensive designer bag. Just got this box from Teddy Blake, you guys. Teddy Blake sent me a bag, and this is my first ever designer bag. Look at that. Are you joking? Are you actually joking? This one, it reminds me of this Birkin Hermes bags. It's so beautiful, and the craftsmanship and the quality, you people. I remember like watching YouTubers who would get like Teddy Blake bags. Like I remember seeing Lydia Stanley get the Teddy Blake bag, and a few other people really. And I always used to be like, God, when Olubala, when will it be my turn? And then I got the email from Teddy Blake saying they wanted to work with me and send me their bags to review on my YouTube channel, and I'm like, bro, in life everything gets turn by turn, and now it's my turn to review the Teddy Blake bag, and I'm so glad and I'm so happy. Because, are you joking, I actually wanted the bigger one, but they didn't have that one in stock, so I had to go with this one. But you guys, look at the stitching, look at the quality. It's like this crocodile type print. It's so beautiful, and it holds a good amount of stuff in it, so I'm just like really pleased with it. If you guys want to still store the box or use it for any other thing, I mean, look at how big the box is. I already showed the unboxing of the bag so you guys can see, but the box really does have a good amount of space in it, so you can use it to store like whatever you want. And then there's a dust bag for you to keep the bag cute, because obviously you don't want any scratches. And also an extendable strap. Let me attach that so we can see how it looks when it's extended. I'm going to wear this bag on one of my waka soon enough so you guys can see how I'm going to style it. But yeah, look at that, look at that. Oh no, who want to try? See beauty on all fronts. Anyways, let me right, so this is it. You see that it's quite long, isn't it? And you can let me drop the tripod down so you guys can see it a little bit better. It's giving I'm rich. It's giving I have a lot of money in my account. Do you know, like, I feel like structured bags are really so good for like if you are trying to give the I'm rich vibe and I'm rich auntie era and all of that. And that's what I'm trying to aim for too in 2023. I want to be looking like I'm rich all the time. Doesn't matter if I have money in my account or not, but when you look the part, then you attract the riches. So look at that. It's gorgeous. It's beautiful. Ignore, like I said, I just woke up, so ignore my sleepwear, but focus on the goodies. Love it. I'm so glad, because look at the way it even opens. Just look at that. Boom. See beauty. I swear, doesn't this thing remind you of the Hermes bags? Tell me. The what's that thing called? Birkin. Doesn't it remind you of the Birkin bag? Well, because I know I've seen people like the Hermes guys carry their bags like this. Anyways, I love it. Look at the amount of space it has inside, and the craftsmanship and the detailing. It's all beautiful. If you guys want to get yours, a link is in my bio, and you get, I believe, $30 off if you use my link. But yeah, there are different designs, but this is the one I chose. Anyways, let me know what you guys think about the bag down in the comment section. Love to hear from you. And bye. Let me go and carry out my daily activities. I have to go to work and I'm already running late, so I'll see you guys in a bit.